Take your yarn, put it over your index finger, wrap it around, hold it with your thumb. Leave a little bit of room. Okay, take the working end, put it through those two fingers. So it looks like this. Take your crochet hook, put it through the hoop that's on your index finger, grab the yarn that's through the two fingers, pull it through the hoop, grab the yarn again, and pull it through that hoop. And there is your magic circle. Now, to crochet in the magic circle, let's say your pattern says to put 5 single crochets in it. Hold where the yarn goes together here in the magic circle. I just hold that. You take your crochet hook, you go back through the magic circle. I'm going to do 5 single crochets, and you go grab the yarn, pull it through. There's 1. Do it again. 2. Go through the magic circle. 3. Through the magic circle. 4. And let's say number 5. Back through the magic circle. 5. Now you have your 5 stitches that your pattern's called for. However, whatever stitches it is they call for. I hold my crochet hook and my yarn here to keep it tight. Take the end that's not hooked to anything, pull it tight, and it closes up your circle. See how it closed it up? Then follow your instructions. Sometimes it'll just say to hoop it through your first hoop, and if that's the case, you do that. Take your working end, pull it back through, and there is your magic circle. It's easy as that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it very easy to learn.